Have you ever felt weighed down by life's challenges, as if you were bent over and unable to stand tall? In Luke 13:10-13, we find the story of a woman who was crippled for 18 years, unable to lift her head. Jesus saw her, called her forward, and proclaimed, "Woman, thou art loosed from thine infirmity." Instantly, she stood up straight and praised God. This powerful act of healing was not merely about physical restoration, but a profound statement against the societal limitations placed on her worth. In a world where appearances and status often dictate our value, Jesus challenges these norms. He lifts the marginalized and reminds us that our dignity is inherent, not defined by our circumstances. Today we can reflect on how we perceive ourselves and others. Are we living under the weight of societal judgments? Just as Jesus reached out to the bent-over woman, he reaches out to us today, inviting us to embrace our worth. Let us reflect on how we can break free from the mental barriers that hold us back, to stand tall in our identity as beloved individuals. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.